So I want to talk about your book. So you released the book this past summer. It's called Firm SEO. Can you tell us a little bit more about that project, the inspiration behind it? Give us like some juice. What's inside it?
Yeah. So writing a book has always been a bucket list, and figuring out what to write it about was pretty obvious. I mean, since I spent, the past 20 years kind of doing SEO, I figured why not kind of write a book about doing SEO for law firms, because that's kind of like what our business does. And to be honest with you, what inspired me to write the book, as you probably know, and as a lot of people kind of understand, is, SEO is very confusing. There's good practitioners and there's also dubious practitioners that are in the industry. A lot of times when we come across prospects, it's the same story. It's like, hey, I've tried SEO, I spent thousands of dollars, I never got anywhere. And I kind of feel like I've just been taken advantage of. Right. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to write a book just to kind of stop that pattern. I wanted to educate and empower attorneys to not only understand like SEO and how to hold people accountable, but more importantly, to stop them from getting taken advantage of by people like me. Right. And so that was really the reason for writing the book. And based on some of the feedback and the reviews that I've got, I think it's been mission accomplished. And I think anybody that reads the book, whether or not they want to hire their own in-house team, it does that. It teaches you how to do that. Or if you want to just hire an agency to kind of do it for you, but more importantly, how to make sure you're holding your agency accountable to getting the results that you're paying them to get.